as long as you know what you're getting into, you don't have to be the earliest. You just have to come in when it makes sense to you. People always think, hindi, the best time to buy Bitcoin was no March 2020. Ito, kahit late kayo, November 2020, you would have still been okay. And pag malaman to ng asawa ko, baka sakalin niya ako na dapat tumodo kami dito. BNB. Hey guys, so has it ever happened that nanghinayang kayo that instead of buying a stock here, you bought this, or instead of buying this crypto, you bought this, or instead of totally thinking about dapat pala nag-invest na ako sa US markets instead of PH, or dapat nag-invest ako sa PH instead of crypto, or dapat nag-invest ako sa crypto instead of the US markets? Has that ever happened to you? And that always feel pressured that I should make the right decision right now, because if I don't make the right decision on what stock or what crypto I'm buying, I might get left out. I might not be able to earn if I don't make the right decision. Or in a way, has it ever happened that this one investment is something that can change your financial destiny forever? In this video, I want to show you different stocks in the Philippine markets, different stocks in the US markets, and different crypto/tokens that kahit hindi mo siya nabili kagad, okay lang naman eh. People have this notion that the best time to invest was March 2020, which when we look back naman talaga, kasi bagsak talaga lahat ng market at that time, that would have been ground zero. However, kahit nag-invest ka April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January 2021, February 2021, March 2021, or even April 2021, you would have still received an upside, because the money is in how you position, how you allocate, and also how you select. Yesterday, we saw Bitcoin crash massively, go down very, very fast. Please remember, we saw Bitcoin hit almost $65,000 to see it dip below $51,000 intraday yesterday. That means, and that shows you that there will always be an opportunity for you to be able to come in and to be able to trade properly. Again, I want to show you different stocks and different cryptos that kahit hindi mo siya na-timingan ng March 2020, you would have still been okay. All of the prices here are based on the prices that we had as of yesterday, with the exception of the cryptocurrencies, kasi cryptocurrencies, kung tinitignan ko siya today, gumagalaw siya. Dito, March 2020, and the whole context of me sharing dito, please remember, malaki na yung binagsak niya also from hitting 18 last year to where it is right now. So dito, March 2020 was 1.14 pesos. Held up until April 2021, it's around 10.7 pesos per share, and you would have received a percent return of 839%. That is kung pumasok ka ng March. Now, what if pumasok ka April 2020 and hindi mo naabutan yung March? I want to talk about Tesla. Tesla was 96.31 April 2020. Fast forward to where we are today, ganun din, similar to dito, yung Tesla, malaki na rin yung binagsak ng Tesla. Please remember, Tesla hit a high of almost $900. Pero Tesla right now, $739.78. That would have given you a 668% return on your investment. Kahit hindi mo siya na timingan, that's what I want to tell you, that you will always have an opportunity even if you don't come in early. May 2020, US stocks again. I want to talk about Apple. The price of Apple, May 2020, was 72.27. Fast forward to where we are today, it's $134.16, and it would have given you an 86% return on your investment. So look at it. March, Philippine stocks, dito, malaki yung gain. April, May, US stocks, tech stocks, malaki rin yung gain also kahit hindi ka pumasok ng saktong-sakto kung kailan siya bumagsak. For those who have subscribed to this channel since June last year, you all know that I made a lot of videos about Merrimart coming into the stock exchange, and it did an IPO of 1 peso. So kung Merrimart kayo bumili nung June 2020, malaki na rin inakyat niya from yung malaki inakyat niya, nag-retrace na yan. From 1 peso, it's currently at 5.58 pesos per share. Your percentage gain for that would have been 458%. Late ka na ng halos 4 months from the time the markets dropped last March 2020. July, tawid naman tayo. US pa rin, pero hindi naman tech stock. I'm showing you different variants no na as long as you know what you're getting into, you don't have to be the earliest. You just have to come in when it makes sense to you. Please remember, yun yung pagkakamali ng ibang tao. Pag sobrang excited, sobrang pinag-uusapan, kahit hindi na pag-aaralan, nag-invest. Pero pag ganun yung ginagawa nila, that's when money gets lost. Better come in late, pero at your own terms. Better come in late, pero naintindihan nyo. Better come in late na kasama sa strategy niyo kaysa nakikisabay ka sa ginagawa ng madaming tao. July 2020, Starbucks. The price of Starbucks at that time was 71%. Fast forward to today, it's around $118 per share. That would have given you a 67% return on your investment. Stock price of Square August 2020 was $130 per share. Fast forward to where we are right now, it's at $256 per share. If you look at it and try to analyze it, it would have given you a 96% gain. It would have given you a 96% return. September 2020, ASEN, and we did a video about that. I interviewed Dexter Azurin at that time. I remember it properly. And then we were talking a lot about yung prospects of how ASEN is very, very interesting. ASEN at that time was 2.71 pesos per share. Looking at it now, it's at 7.2 pesos per share, and that would have given you still a return of 165%. So if you notice it, from where we are today, kahit late kayo, kahit hindi nyo siya masakto, as long as you are coming in, being very, very selective and putting volume on it, you would have still come out with a gain. You would have still done better than majority of, I think, the broad market as a whole. Microsoft, October 2020, was around $213 per share. Fast forward to where we are today, Microsoft is at $260 per share, giving you a gain of 22% still. Tatawid na tayo, cryptocurrencies naman. Biriin mo to, kahit hindi kayo nag-invest ng cryptocurrencies ng March 2020, you would have still been okay. People always think, hindi, the best time to buy Bitcoin was no March 2020. Ito, kahit late kayo, November 2020, you would have still been okay. Bitcoin, November 2020 was around $13,791. Fast forward to where we are right now, factoring also the large dip from yesterday, 56,904, and you would have still received a 313% gain, which is very, very decent. And Ethereum nung December was only $585. Fast forward to this recording, it's 2,262. And if you look at it, that would have given you a gain of 287%. Now, eto na, January 2021. And this is mind-blowing. Please remember, 10 months after the crash of March 2020. And dito talaga ako nang hinayang. And pag malaman to ng asawa ko, baka sakalin niya ako na dapat tumodo kami dito. BNB, January 2021 was only $20. Fast forward to where we are today, kasama yung bagsak yesterday, it's at $537. So I did the math, no? Kung nag-huddle ka lang, wala kang ginawa, hindi ka nag-trade, naglagay ka lang ng 100,000 pesos, January 2021, tapos wala ka nang ginawa, hinintay mo lang, yung 100,000 mo would have been 12.5 million pesos. February, XRP, and ako, I started, I think, January sa XRP nung bumagsak siya. But even if you came in late also for XRP, price of XRP at that time was $0.37. Fast forward to today, kasama yung pagbagsak kahapon, XRP would have been 1.46. You would still have gotten a 295% return. Chainlink, March 2021 was 24.7. Fast forward to today, it's $41. And that would have given you a 66% return still. So think about it. 1 month lang we're recording this April 2021. March 2021, 66% return pa rin siya. Hindi siya masyado napansin kasi madami nang umaakyat din na crypto na mas mabilis at that time, and even BNB was already moving from price that I mentioned earlier to where it is today. So yung attention na punta doon sa mas high flyers, kahit hindi nyo siya nasakto, kahit March lang kayo nagsimula, tas Chainlink yung investan nyo, it would have still given you a decent return. Now lastly, April 2021, Dogecoin, of course, malaki na rin yung inakyat niya prior to April 2021, but we're just measuring this so that you have context ng April 2021. April 2021, it was around 0.05. Fast forward to today, kasama na rin yung pagbagsak niya ng malaki, is at around $0.33. That would have given you a 19-day return of 560%. Whenever you hear people say that sobrang laki ng inakyat na ng market, wag na kayong bumili, it does not apply to every Philippine stock, to every US stock, and to every crypto or token out there. Opportunities will always be around. opportunities would always be there if you take the time to research and do your due diligence, and never ever give in to whenever people say that this is a once in a lifetime opportunity na kailangan mo to bilhin kasi kung hindi maiiwan ka. Kasi kung ganun yung mentality mo, that's the best way to lose money. So even if you're watching this video May, June, July, later on this year, there will still be opportunities then. Possible hindi yung mga na-mention ko dito, pero there will still be a lot na pwede niyong pasukan. There will still be a lot that are investable that will give you a return later on in the future. But what I want to leave with you is this. Yung technique is dapat nag-accumulate kayo, dapat naglalagay kayo. Kasi kung wala kayong linagay, kumbaga sa pagtatanim, kung wala kayong tinanim, wala kayong aanihin. And spend the time to learn and spend the time to, after learning, to deploy capital. So I hope you guys got a lot from this, and I'm trying to show you how you can interweave Philippine, US, and crypto markets at pwede nyo siya pagsabayin sa portfolio ninyo eh. Na I know I've been talking a lot about crypto lately, pero it doesn't mean na puro crypto, yun lang yung pwede pagkakitaan ng pera, because there will always be opportunities even if you're outside the crypto market. Even if the Philippines is lagging versus the US and crypto markets, dadating din yung point that when US or crypto markets will correct, yung pinosisyonan nyo sa Philippine markets also will do very, very well. And it's all about what your plan is and how you position. My name is Marvin Germo. If you like more videos like this, I appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell so you get updated every time I come up with new content about investing in the stock market, both Philippine and US markets, and also now the crypto markets as well. And if you'd like to know more how you can trade using technical analysis, in the description below, I have a Zoom course which is happening this May, where we will do a deep dive on how you can do technical analysis for both US, Philippine, and crypto markets. And I'm happy to announce that we are doing Investment Conference 2021 also now online. We have your favorite speakers joining us from the previous events, from Rex Mendoza, Randall Chongson, Iwa Gunigundo, Tony Herbosa, Rex Mendoza, Bo Sanchez, and so much more. So if you want more details on that, the link is also in the description below. And we're going to talk about a plethora of topics, from stocks to crypto to real estate to investing and everything else also in between. And everything else also that you want to know about me is in the description below. If you want to invest in US markets and crypto markets, we have brokerages below, either Binance or eToro, both of which I use and I believe are very, very good to help you so you get to trade the markets properly. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.